I'm Drew Glick at Brown Harris Stevens, and we're here on the most prestigious street in the world with the most coveted views anywhere, overlooking Central Park and the famed New York City skyline. Welcome to apartment 11K at 860 Fifth Avenue. Great attention to detail was taken into account when renovating the apartment. The generous layout consists of almost 3,000 square feet. It features a spacious entry foyer with antique Jerusalem stone walls that lead to a gorgeous living room and dining room, measuring approximately 44 feet in length, with picture windows to enjoy the lush park and city views. The primary bedroom suite includes 2 closets, one of which is a walk-in, and a separate windowed office area. Both the office and the primary bedroom have stunning Central Park and skyline views. The spacious primary bath has a beautiful custom vanity, tub, built-in TV, and separate steam shower. The second bedroom has an ensuite bath with tub. Adjacent to the living room is a one-of-a-kind media room, which can function as a third bedroom. This room has a custom metal wall with electrostatic glass that can change from clear to opaque. Alongside of this room is a full bath with Vassos marble walls and floors and a shower stall. No detail was overlooked in the large custom chef's kitchen, which features beautiful cabinetry, a 7-burner cooktop, side-by-side Sub-Zero and freezer, a Sub-Zero wine fridge, built-in Miele coffee maker, granite countertops, and a vented range hood. To top it off, the kitchen has a spacious separate breakfast room. 860 Fifth Avenue is located between 67th and 68th Streets and is a luxurious full-service co-op with 24-hour doorman, elevator attendants, a fitness center, a bike room, and storage. There is a garage that is accessed from the lobby, which offers discounted rates for shareholders. Thank you for joining me here at 860 Fifth Avenue. If you would like to see this incredible property, please contact me.